Alright, so we have two countries that are keeping track of the cost of a barrel of oil in their country. In the country, we need oil. A barrel of oil costs $40.05, and the price increases 8 cents each day. In the country, we have oil. Good. Yeah, okay. A barrel of oil costs $48.74, and the price decreases by 3 cents each day. So, what are our variables here? We do a little x and y, which are the same as what? Remember when we did recursive? What letters did we use? A sub n and n, right? So what does x stand for in this problem? What does y stand for in this problem? What are we doing? What's the input? What's the output? Really? The price. Is that the input or the output? Are we inputting price? What does that mean? Each day. That's x. So the number of days, time in days, is your x. Ooh, what is happening right now? That's creepy looking. What is wrong with my battery? What is happening? Creepy. I feel like my board doesn't like working during this class. Okay, so and then the output would then be the price, right? Does that make sense? I write too fast for my board. All right. Woo woo. Come on, go back. Come on. So what's going to be easier to write? It doesn't matter. We can do recursive or we can do explicit first. Whatever makes you happy. Recursive, okay. What does recursive look like? Equals a sub n minus 1, good. 0.08. Which country is this for? The we need oil. Okay. Alright. Yes. So, we need oil. It's going up by 8 cents every day. And then what else do we need for? We need the first term or the initial. Which one did they give us? This is the initial. Okay, so a sub 0. Okay? What about the we have oil? Oh, don't want it to me. Alright. Why is it minus 0.03? It is decreasing by that amount where the other one was increasing, right? Alright, and what is our initial here? 48.74. Okay. Can you turn those into explicit formulas? This is what explicit looks like. Test is coming up. Engage. Engage. This one's going to be a sub n equals. Beautiful. Very nice. How about this guy? Say what you mean it. Yes, negative 0.03n. Good. Cool? Not too bad? Alright, good. So, can we answer these questions? Can we answer these questions? I'll put our equations down here. What's going to be more useful to us, recursive or explicit? Definitely explicit. If you want to change them into y and x for this, you can. I do not care. Do you have a preference? Want to leave it as a's and n's? Okay. So we had what? 0.08n plus 40.05, and we had negative 0.03n plus 48.74. Okay? How do I figure out how many days it's going to take for the price to be the same? Yeah, 7 equal to each other. That's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to take this guy, and we're going to set it equal to our other one. Because then we only have one variable to deal with. All right, how do I solve it? Thank you. That's the difference between the A and the B right there. We got to move them to the other side of the equal sign, right? You can add 0.03. I'm going to need you. I don't have a calculator up here. You guys got to be my calculator. I mean, I know what this is, but when we get into the division part. Do you know that you can do the next one in the same step? If we move 0.03 this way, what are we going to move the other way? Yeah, we're going to subtract this guy over. Because then this knocks out and this knocks out. So I got 0.11n equals 8.69? Okay. Yeah? Okay. Divide by 0.11, what do you get? Exactly? Isn't that nice? 71 bananas. 79? 79 bananas. 79 rabbits. Days. 79 days. Does that make sense? Yeah? Smile and nod. Kind of shake your head. Weird face, do something else crazy. So after 79 days, what's going to happen? They're going to be equal to each other. They're going to have the exact same price. At the 79th day, they will cost the same. It won't matter which company you ask for the oil. What about this one? Which company will cost less after 42 days? 2 ways to solve it. I don't care which way you do it. Plug it in. Yeah. Plug it in for n. Right? We do a sub 42. What do you get?
43.41.
Say it a little louder for me.
43.41.
43.41. Okay. And what about the other one? 47.48. So which one are you going, which one's going to cost less? We need oil. This is so funny. All right. Which one costs less initially? We need oil until what point? Until 79 days. You could have figured it out that way, right? That's a little bit more solid, right? The other one you have to kind of think through. Right? This one is going to be more expensive. This guy is increasing constantly. This guy is decreasing constantly. And at 79 days, they switch. Does that make sense? Feel pretty good? Yeah? Awesome. Did you have questions on the back of the homework? Did you want to look at either one of those? Be annoying. Alright, so second one on your homework. Well, according to your warm-up, what's the answer? The bottom of your warm-up. What's the answer? Where's the bottom? So we should have gotten 3, -3, that's what we're shooting for? How did you solve it? How would you like to solve it? Elimination? If you do elimination, we got to get everything to line up. Okay? So we got to switch these guys. Right? So this guy we're going to change into 6y. How do I move a -2x over? Add 2x. And how do I move a 12 over? -12, right? How can we make, what do you want to eliminate? Do you want to eliminate x or do you want to eliminate y? You want to eliminate y? So how do I make a 3 and a 6 the same number? What number should I probably try and make them? Multiply that by 2. Multiply which one by 2? This guy. And not just 2, what do I want to multiply it by? -2. So if you multiply it by -2, one's positive and one's negative. Talk to me.
You changed only 2 signs at the bottom of the equation.
I added this guy over to here, and I subtracted this guy. So that it will line up with this one. Okay? So, -2 times 3, -6x, -2 times 7, -14, oh, this one's a y. My bad. And -2 times 12, -24. Add them up. These guys go away. What happens? -14 plus 2? -12x. Careful. I'll make you write all your negatives in red pen so you don't forget
did
them.
it on the paper.
What about these two? -36. Are you already seeing what the answer is? You can jump to it, go it, for it, do it. That's great. So what does x equal? Got it. How do I figure out y? Plug it in. Which one do I want to plug it into? The second one? That's a good choice. So I got 6y plus 12 equals -2 times whatever I'm replacing it with. I'm replacing it with 3. What do I do? Okay? Right? Divide by 6. And y equals? Exactly what it should be. Cool? Not too bad?